What's going on, guys?
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Dillon and Jason back here with you guys for episode 7 of Customs of the Week. Just to let you guys know, we're actually hosting a really cool giveaway right now. We made a Kid See Ghost pair of the Adidas Continental 80s, and we posted a video on the making of them yesterday. So go ahead and check that out, and all of the entry details for how you can enter to win those is in that video.
Yeah, so we're 7 episodes deep now into Customs of the Week. We're thinking about ending this season at episode 10, and then for the next season 2, we'll have an overall theme for every episode, whether it's the best bands of the year 2018 or whatever. So let us know what you're asking about that in the comments, if we should do it or maybe we should just stick to what we're doing already. But let's just get into this week's episode. So starting this week's episode off, we got Wally Champ 15 with a pair of Jordan 4s in his Pittsburgh Steelers theme. I've seen all the photos for these. I love how he took so many photos, so you can see all the little details that have to come with the shoe, because just one look at these isn't enough. You have to look at all the small things that really bring it all together. And I think just he found the perfect environment for it. I think it really fits the shoe well.
Yeah, like you said, this is a shoe where you kind of look at it from different angles. You get a different perspective. Obviously, from this back shot, he went ahead and did the old Steelers uniforms, kind of with those bumblebee stripes. That's really cool. Obviously, that diamond plate pattern around the rest of the shoe is really cool. And obviously, what sets these apart is adding that rust look and stuff. So, really cool job with these on this. Looks like a Pure Money 4 base. So. And next up, we have a pair of In-N-Out Air Force One highs. These are really cool. Obviously, Mosh went ahead and removed the swish, did the signature in-and-out arrow, and what really sets that apart is that simple drop shadow behind it. That's really cool. The color blocking on these, obviously very simple. The hints of red on the toe box and the sock liner, and then the strap having that print is really cool.
Yeah, he did a nice play with the swoosh being the in-and-out logo with the arrow going the other way, so that really took me by surprise. I thought, most people would probably go the way of the swoosh, but he went the opposite direction.
Way. Good call.
Really,
Good call.
just smart move by them. So next up we have Kenneth Customs, the Boba Fett Jordan 4. I believe the color blocking was done really well on these, and also it just matches the overall character.
Yeah, the one thing that I would probably like to see is a little bit more of the red, maybe at the top of the wing strap, where that eyelet piece is. Maybe that would make for cool as red. But, as a customizer, I'm sure he had reasoning for where he put everything. The Boba Fett theme is something that a lot of customizers have done over the years, and one of the things you really want to capture is that kind of battle-worn, battle-tested look. These do a pretty solid job at that, obviously with the vignettes around a lot of the panels. Like I said, color blocking, separation of color, the green to gray to yellow ratio, all pretty good. I just would have liked to see maybe a little bit more of the red. Other than that, great job. And now we have a DBZ pair of Air Mags done by Serato. These are awesome, man. You look at these and they're done so well that you have to question if they're even painted. The anime characters are so damn crisp and clean. Absolutely phenomenal job with these. Anytime you get to customize Air Mags, it's awesome because of how valuable they are.
Yeah, I saw Serato's video on these too, so I was able to see the entire process, which you guys should go check out, by the way. Just like Dylan said, the characters are done really well, and also the direction he took with the picture, how he has the rest of the picture blacked out so that you can really see the glow on the Air Mags.
Definitely.
Which I think the blue aura really has a big tie within the Dragon Ball Z universe. So just overall entire good take on these.
Great job.
So last up on today's episode, we have B Bison with a pair of Kid See Ghost Yeezy V2s. So the album has been out for almost 2 weeks now, and so I think by this time all the customizers are pushing out their Kid See Ghost customs. And I think B Bison is the first one to actually show the public his Yeezys, and he did a great job on these. Just all little characters really drawn out well. It's really his style, so when you see it, it's like, oh, that's definitely done by him.
Yeah, that Murakami color palette on the stripe, and then all the little characters. The kanji stands out to me. Like you said, we knew we were going to see an influx of customizers doing this theme. That's why we were super excited to do ours. And I know we talked about possibly doing a Yeezy, but I had a good feeling Brennan was going to do one in this style. These came out absolutely great. The Kid See Ghost text too, really cool, but just overall, absolutely clean job by Brennan.
Yep. So thank you guys for sitting with us to another episode of Customs of the Week. This week was pretty, we had a lot of the big guys on the episode, just because, it's always
returning artists.
Yeah, it's always good to see just, what are the big guys doing, just so maybe we can get some influence up there, or just, just good to have the big guys on the
There's a reason they're up there,
exactly.
You know what I mean?
Just so you guys know, we do have a giveaway going on in our previous video, so if you haven't yet, check that out. You might be interested in really winning what's available there.
Big video coming Tuesday.
Yeah. Another big video coming Tuesday. We have our most highly requested video yet. It's a video on stencils. So for those of you who requested that, just make sure you have notifications on because you'll definitely want to see that.
Yeah, that's going to be a really cool stencil guide. Like you said, it's something that's been requested a lot and people want to know. There's a lot that goes into using stencils, you know what I mean? Really keeping that durability aspect, and I know the main thing that people are wanting to know is how can you apply stencils and use them without pulling up paint underneath. You know, that's kind of the biggest issue we get sent all the time. What did I do wrong? And we're going to answer those questions in this video coming out Tuesday. So like Jason said, make sure you have notifications turned on for that. Thank you guys for hanging out with this again. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one.